Hi, it's Mobility Matt from the City of Fremont's Department of Public Works. In a continuous effort to make our streets safer for all roadway users, especially the most vulnerable users, pedestrians, the city is installing new traffic control devices. Today we'll be going over how to use pedestrian signals. Pedestrian signals, also known as hawk signals or pedestrian hybrid beacons, provide a protected opportunity for pedestrian crossings on major arterial roadways. For pedestrians, the PED signal operates identically to a normal traffic signal. When a pedestrian wishes to cross, they should push the push button to activate the PED signal. The pedestrian will see the countdown signal change from a don't walk phase to a walk phase. The pedestrian may begin to cross once the walk phase appears. When the pedestrian signal head changes from a walk phase to a countdown phase, pedestrians already in the intersection may finish crossing. Pedestrians arriving during a countdown phase should push the push button and wait for a new walk signal. When motorists approach a pedestrian signal with the lights off, motorists are free to drive through the signal and the crosswalk. When the lights are off, motorists should not stop at the PED signals. Unlike with a regular traffic signal, if a PED signal is dark, this does not mean that it is malfunctioning. A dark PED signal simply means that there are no pedestrians waiting to cross. When the PED signal begins to flash yellow, motorists should proceed with caution. When the signal stays solid yellow, motorists should stop at the stop bar if safe to do so, as if approaching a yellow light at a normal traffic signal. Motorists should not go through the PED signal without slowing. Motorists should not speed up through the yellow light in order to beat the red light. Motorists should not cross the stop bar or encroach into the pedestrian's space. When the pedestrian signal shows solid red lights, motorists should act as if at a red light at a normal traffic signal. Motorists should stay completely stopped at the stop bar. Pedestrians will begin to cross during this stage. Motorists should not go through the intersection when the signal is solid red, even if there are no pedestrians or if all pedestrians have crossed. When the red lights go from solid to flashing, motorists should act as if at a stop sign. Motorists should completely stop at the stop bar, check for pedestrians crossing the street, then continue past the crosswalk. After this flashing red phase, the PED signal will return to dark until activated by another pedestrian. These improvements are part of the City of Fremont's efforts to make walking and driving a safer and smoother experience. To learn more and to view other safety videos, please visit our website at www.fremont.gov/vision02020.